Dubuque for our first car show of the year.
Welcome.
Please don't talk about love tonight. Please don't talk about sweet love. I don't know the next words of this song, but Curdy is parking on gravel and that's bad.
No winner.
No winning.
Okay.
Too many cars, not enough parking, I'm afraid. That paint shines.
It does. It's gorgeous.
That one's good, cobbled. It's got like bomber seats in it. That's pretty fun.
Yeah, it is.
How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Good to see you, man. Yeah, perfect weather, right? For the first one? Yeah. Yeah.
That's a Ferrari. Huh?
I guess I saw the horse. I thought.
This thing's awesome.
Something's not sealed.
Huh? No, green up. That's awesome.
Woman's car.
Huh?
I hope it's a woman's car.
I don't know whose that is, but that's a nice car. So is this one. But it's a good plate. Hey, there's a Scout.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
First parking in the gravel.
Which we could have, but we had a good spot. I'm happy where we're at. Do we want to walk up to the top? Or is it too hot today?
Oh, I'll probably get hot and sweaty. Do we want to drive up there?
We can't drive up there. Well,
Drive the other way though.
we drive the other way, yeah. this is the old East Dubuque toll road that some people called it the Trollway. And there used to be trolls all over the hillside. It looks as if somebody walked away with all the trolls that used to be all over the roadside. There's a pretty cool path over here they built. It takes you up to a park on top of the hill where you can overlook the river. We're gonna go up there, but yeah, it's gonna be a workout as this is a steep hill.
And we got a lot of stairs.
And we got a lot of stairs. So when I'm stopped breathing so hard, I'll see you at the top. And yeah, the stairs, I wasn't kidding. It's quite a hike. That's
half.
That's half where this bench is, so. Oh wow, really?
There it goes.
Oh wow, there's a snake.
Ooh, that's good.
So halfway up here, whew, I have not shed my winter weight yet. This is a heck of a journey. Made it up the steps. There's a view of the river. You can see how high it is up on the banks. Yeah, so the original toll bridge used to run next to the train bridge, which I think you'll be able to see from over here. And it was on top of this hill that connected Iowa and Illinois. But it's long since disappeared, and this is the new bridge they built in its place. Nope. You can probably see it from down there, so it looks like I got more walking to do. Well, you can't really see the train bridge, but when we get down at the bottom, I can show you where the tunnel goes through. It would have been over in this direction, and you would have came up this road up here and went that way, and the bridge ran parallel to the train bridge into over to Dubuque. So, but this is quite a hike. And then this trail, didn't know even existed here. Must take you up to that pavilion by that flag. Pretty neat little spot. If you're ever in East Dubuque and you want to find a place to go for a little hike with a lot of stairs to climb, this might be just for you. All right, now we're gonna journey back down the stairs, back to the car show. And the next best reason to climb that hill when you're at the car show, the cleanest bathroom at the car show. And then you read the sign, closed for the season. Sad face. And speaking of trains, there it is, and I think that one just came across the bridge because I'm pretty sure it's coming out of the tunnel, but oh no, it's not. It'd come down the other tracks if it was coming out of the tunnel. And those are some silly shoes for a hike upstairs. Just we'll remember that next time. But yeah, it's kind of, normally this road's not closed, but it is right now, so. Yeah, and if the train comes across the bridge, it has to go through this tunnel. on today's adventure, that does not look safe.
That truck is gonna fall in half.
This is the train bridge here. And it's hard to see right now, but on the other side of that bridge is a tunnel that takes you to where we were at on the other side of the river at the car show. It's back behind those trees. So they kind of got this all roped off because the water's so high, they're pumping water. Alright, so the toll bridge would have came right on the other side of this bridge. That's where the old toll bridge used to come across into Iowa. Well, thanks for watching. Unfortunately, I found out that I can record in time lapse, so the rest of my car show footage didn't work out very well. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming car shows we intend on going to this summer.